Hey guys, it's Linda. I'm here in Pensacola. And Juliette was here when I had a customer. We were talking about starch. I had a class in California a couple weeks ago. We got on the idea of vodka for the Microwave Bowl Cozies. You have to use cotton batting, cotton thread, cotton fabric, 100%. And we started talking about starch. So Juliette has a really great explanation of what you should be doing. And this is cheap and it's just perfect. So I'm going to let her take it away.
How y'all doing? This is my favorite recipe for starch. I've shared it with my guild. We all love it. It lasts for a long time. You can use it on every one of your projects without any problems. I use 3 ounces of potato vodka, 27 ounces of distilled water, and 1 tablespoon of essential oil. I wrote it all down for you. You just mix it together. There's no expiration date. It's wonderful. You can get any essential oil you want. Walmart sells them for $2 for this bottle that'll last you forever. And of course, the vodka mixes well with orange juice just in case.
And you said it was the best tasting vodka.
It is the best tasting vodka, but it has to be potato vodka because that has the starch in it. No other vodka will work, so you have to search for the potato vodka.
And that potato vodka won't go bad. That's the other reason too. So perfect. Yes. I am so thrilled you were here today when we were talking about this. Thanks.
No worries. Y'all have a good day.